Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Barracks Street runs through the eastern edge of New Orleans' historic French Quarter, tracing a quieter path through one of the city's oldest neighborhoods. Just a few blocks from the Mississippi River, this street offers a more residential view of the quarter, where daily life unfolds away from the busiest tourist routes. The name Barracks Street comes from its proximity to the old Spanish military barracks, later known as the Old U.S. Mint, located near the river. Built during the late 1800s, the structure served multiple purposes over time, including housing troops, producing coins, and later becoming a cultural landmark. Its presence helped shape the identity of the surrounding streets. Much of the architecture along Barracks Street reflects 19th century New Orleans. Creole cottages, townhouses, and small apartment buildings line the roadway, many featuring wrought iron balconies, shuttered windows, and raised foundations designed to handle the city's frequent flooding. These buildings offer a glimpse into how residents lived in the early days of the city. Barracks Street also runs near Louis Armstrong Park, a site rich in cultural history. The park sits on land once known as Congo Square, where enslaved Africans gathered during the 1800s to share music, dance, and traditions. These gatherings played a crucial role in the development of jazz, one of New Orleans' most enduring contributions to world culture. In 2005, Hurricane Katrina affected neighborhoods across New Orleans. While the French Quarter experienced less flooding than other areas, the storm had a lasting impact on the city's population, economy, and historic preservation efforts. Streets like Barracks became part of the broader recovery and restoration of the city's historic core. Today, Barracks Street remains a blend of history and everyday life. Residents, small businesses, and visitors share the street, surrounded by architecture and stories that stretch back centuries. A drive along Barracks Street offers a calm, authentic look at New Orleans, where history lives quietly in the details of the buildings and the rhythm of the neighborhood.
Thanks for watching!